Is the Great Investments Program worth it? Well, we created a very good online tool. You can find it at campaignforamillion.com/tools. And you can put in your portfolio value. Let's say you've got roughly 200,000. Well, is it worth it for you? And the way it works is we look at certain improvement scenarios. What if your pension as a result of the education and the information and the data we give you were to improve by 5%? What by 10? What if by a whopping 15, of which there's no guarantees, of course? Then what would it mean? What additional gains would you get? Subtract the program cost. What's the net benefit to you? What's the payback period? How quickly do you make back your returns? What's the return on investment as well? And the reason all of that's very important is because if you think about it, those are exactly the kinds of questions you should be asking yourself before you spend anything as an investment. What's the return? And the Great Investments Program is an investment. The reason I created it as a hedge fund manager and an author of 18 odd books on investing and 200 columns in the Financial Times is because I felt that there needed to be a better way than what the fund managers and the pension funds are delivering, which is they're delivering underperformance. We've got to give the power back to the individual so they've got the data, the information, the knowledge, and we handhold them so they can see for the rest of their lives what they own, why they own it, and it's bespoke to them, their holdings, because it's in whichever broker account they choose. That's like nothing you've ever seen before. It is not a stock tipping, buy this, buy that based on narratives. It's portfolio building based upon data, but bespoke, the kind of stuff you might get from a private bank or a wealth manager, but without those kinds of fees. In fact, we don't even have a subscription. There is no daily, weekly, monthly charge. There's just one off because it's the only way to avoid a conflict of interest. Anyway, if you found that interesting, campaignforamillion.com/tools is where you'll find the calculator. Do have a look at it.